Hello, my name is Doman and I'm really excited to show you a little script that I have written. So, this is my problem. Every few days I go to my favorite torrent site and I check out the list of new torrents. And my problem is that in 2 or 3 days time you might get more than 100 or 150 torrents piled up, and not all are interesting. And I've learned that torrents with high snatched and high seeders value are more interesting to other people, so those torrents are highly more likely to be interesting to me. So what I would like to do is I would like to have a little script that would filter out the torrents that are not interesting and only keep the torrents that are interesting. So this little JavaScript of mine does exactly that. Here I can specify, show me only the torrents that are snatched at least 50 times, for example, and show me only the torrents with, for example, 45 seeders. And here we have a new list that has only the interesting torrents.